So I'm just going to show you how to track a form of your website. Okay. So I just log in with my Tagmate account, and I have connected the one of the GTM account. Okay. And now I'm going to create a project as a next step. So I'm launching the project. Click on add new button. I'm just giving a project name, let's say a form tracking. Okay. So this is a web. Okay. And this is the prerequisite steps. You have to select one of the container. So let's say this is the container. So this is the tagmat and this is my container. Okay. So this is a tagmat and tagmat GA4. So this is tagmat and tagmat GA4. So let's have a tracking for GA4. Okay. So let's say I'm selecting this workspace. So Google Analytics, here need to enter analytics measurement ID. So this is the Google Analytics. I have open it and I'm just copying this segment measurement ID and just paste it. And I click on create. Okay. So here we go. So this is the project. You have to select it. Okay. So here it's a project overview, everything you can see. And let me have a template. So I'm going to add the templates. So click on add templates. So here it's a navigation for the category of the templates. So I want to track a form. So I'm select form. Okay. So now let's say I know the form of my website. So let's say this is the website and let's say this is the form. Okay. So let me check the form. So I'm just entering, I'm checking, submitting. Okay. So here after the submission, there is a thank you message, but the website URL is same, and it is appearing in an element. Okay. So I can say this is a element visibility type. So here in a tagmat, there is a form called tracking with element visibility. So we have to select this method, the form name. Let's say this is the form name. That's the first step. Element selector. If you know this, how to get this element selector, then you can do it. Otherwise, there is a help. Okay. So open this help. Okay. And let's refresh this website again. The first step is to submit the form. Then second step is to open the inspect element, and third is look at the message of element. Okay. So I'm again let's say submitting the form. Here we go. Now right click on the page and go to inspect. Thank you message. I'm just right click on that highlighted code, copy selector, and just paste it over here. Okay. Select the one of the trigger. So now next step is to provide element text contained. So let's say I'm just taking part of that message and click on next. The page URL. Uh, so here it's I'm entering in one of the condition. Yeah, that's it. And just click the push to GTM. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's wait for the process pushing the GTM. and it would take some time because of this Tagmate application is interacting with the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so its status appeared as pushed. Let's check it with the Tag Manager account. So this is the default workspace, and I'm just refreshing the workspace. Okay, so a few seconds ago, this is our tag that is created. Okay, so let's check the real action. Okay, so click on preview. Mhm. And copy this website. Okay, already it has, and just connect it. Mm. And okay, so tag assistant is started. So let's go for the tag assistant. Just clear it out, everything. Okay, this is our GTM. Now go to the website, and just your phone number. Okay, and just submit. Okay, here is the message. So as you can see, this is the form element visibility. The tag has been fired. This is the tag. Okay, this is the summary actually, and let's check it with analytics. So go to this configure and open debug view. Okay, here we go. So there is a form submission. Okay, so we are getting everything over here. Okay, everything. So this is very simple, right?